Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba number 204119-05-01. This is a 4 7/8 or an ANSI strike, A-N-S-I, or an ASA strike, also known as that. Those are references to standards that call out this type of strike. This would be a strike that you'd see most commonly in a hollow metal frame, being 4 7/8 tall. Okay, having an overall width of about 1 7/8 inches. That doesn't matter so much, but this dimension here of the 1.25 inches would be considered typical. The lip length, measured from the center of the screw hole to the edge of the lips, about 1 5/16 inches perhaps, and that's very standard. And this is going to be used in their 1000 series mechanical combination locks, levers, knobs, different functions. Polished brass, antique brass, satin chrome are the 3 finishes available, and this obviously is the 5 or the 05, which makes it antique brass. Non-ferrous base material. I'm going to go with it being of a brass construction, which means specifically you would not use this on a fire-rated door. Does not appear to be stainless underneath that scratched surface that I've pulled off. Okay. Combination screws that are going to permit you to get this installed onto a steel frame or a wood frame. They'll work in either application in a complementary finish. Size of the hole, some people will ask that. Overall height about 1 3/4 inches. Inside width, opening width is about 3/4 inch. That return back there is required for appropriate smooth operation for retaining the deadlocking tab in place so that the door cannot be jimmied or shimmed open without significant attempts to do so. A deadlocking tab would be appropriate for your keyed locks. That's it. One great thing about Kaba and all their variants and all their different forms of ownership is that they've maintained publication of their parts for all of their locks. And what I mean by that is you've got a 1000 series lock. That lock is certainly hundreds of dollars to replace. Yours could be a couple of decades old. I have seen these installed in department stores decades ago that are probably decades old at that point. And it's nice to be able to continue to get useful service out of the significant investment in door hardware, especially mechanical combination locks. And you'll see these, that department store, an old department store name, Chicago, Marshall Field's, no longer exists. But Marshall Field's department stores always had these combination locks on their doors to their back of house so their employees could enter. You'll see them in banks all the time on the outside cash wrap wall, the teller wall. To get back behind the teller line, you'll see mechanical combination locks. Maybe not so much these days, but certainly they're out there. That's, the point is, it's nice that they continue to make these items available as standalone products, is the point. It's the original equipment that would have gone with the lock in an antique brass finish, and you would certainly want to continue with the original equipment. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Kaba Access products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Kaba 204119-05-01 ASA strike in an antique brass finish or any other Kaba Access product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.